Hello there and welcome to Wireless Solutions. Today, I am going to guide you through the process of transferring all your files from your old iPhone to your new iPhone. This includes your apps, photos, contacts, messages, and more. So let us get started. Step number 1. Back up your old iPhone. Number 1. Connect to Wi-Fi. Make sure your old iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. This is crucial to ensure the backup process is smooth and efficient. Strong Wi-Fi connection helps in speeding up the backup process and prevents interruptions. Number 2. Open Settings. Locate the Settings app on your old iPhone's home screen. The icon looks like a set of gray gears. Tap on it to open the Settings menu. Number 3. Tap your name. At the top of the Settings menu, you will see your name and profile picture if you have set one. Tap on your name to access your Apple ID settings. This section contains all the information related to your Apple ID, iCloud, iTunes, and App Store. Number 4. Tap iCloud. In the Apple ID settings, you will see various options like name, phone numbers, email, password and security, and iCloud. Scroll down and tap on iCloud. This will take you to the iCloud settings page where you can manage all your iCloud services and storage. Number 5. Select iCloud Backup. Once you are in the iCloud settings, scroll down to find iCloud Backup. Tap on it. This section allows you to manage your backup settings and initiate to a new backup. Number 6. Backup Now. On the iCloud Backup page, you will see an option that says Backup Now. Tap on this option to start the backup process. Make sure your iPhone remains connected to Wi-Fi during this time. The duration of the backup process can vary depending on the amount of data on your device. It might take a few minutes to an hour or more. Be patient and avoid using the phone for heavy tasks during the backup to ensure it completes without any issues. Tip: monitor the backup progress or verify if the backup is complete. You can go back to Settings, your name, iCloud, iCloud Backup. Here, you will see the time and date of the last backup. This helps you ensure that your data has been successfully backed up. If the backup process is still ongoing, you will see a progress bar indicating the status. Step number 2. Prepare your new iPhone. Number 1. Power on. Take your new iPhone out of the box and press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. The power button is usually located on the right side of the device. Once you see the Apple logo, release the button and wait for the device to boot up. Number 2. Language and region. After the Apple logo disappears, you will be greeted with a hello screen in various languages. Swipe up or press the home button if your iPhone has one to begin. You will then be prompted to choose your preferred language from a list. Tap on your language to select it. Next, you will be asked to select your region or country. Choose the appropriate option for your location. These settings are important as they will affect your iPhone's language, date, time format, and other regional settings. Number 3. Quick Start. If your old iPhone is nearby, you may see the Quick Start screen. This feature allows you to set up your new iPhone using your old one, which can make the process faster and easier. If you see this screen, place your old iPhone near your new one. Follow the on-screen instructions on both devices to pair them and transfer your settings and Apple ID. You might need to authenticate with your old iPhone's passcode. If you don't see the Quick Start screen or prefer not to use it, you can tap Setup manually at the bottom of the screen to proceed with a manual setup. Number 4. Connect to Wi-Fi. Next, you will be prompted to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Choose a Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks. Tap on the network name and if prompted, enter the Wi-Fi password and tap Join. Connecting to Wi-Fi is necessary for the upcoming steps, as your iPhone will need to access the internet to activate, download apps, and restore your backup. Step number 3. Restore from iCloud Backup. Number 1. Apps and Data screen. After completing the initial setup steps, you will arrive at the Apps and Data screen. Here, you will see several options for setting up your new iPhone. Tap on Restore from iCloud Backup. This option allows you to transfer all your data, apps, and settings from your old iPhone to your new one. Number 2. Sign in. You will be prompted to sign in to iCloud with your Apple ID and password. Enter your Apple ID, the email address associated with your Apple account, and your password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you might also need to enter a verification code sent to one of your trusted devices. Number 3. Agree to terms and conditions. After signing in, you will see the Apple terms and conditions. Take a moment to read through these terms. Once you have read them, tap Agree in the bottom right corner of the screen. A confirmation prompt will appear. Tap Agree again to proceed. Number 4. Use Backup. Once you have agreed to the terms and conditions, you will see a list of available backups associated with your Apple ID. Look for the most recent backup of your old iPhone. The backups are listed by date and device name, making it easy to identify the latest one. If you do not see the most recent backup, ensure your old iPhone has completed the backup process. Select the latest backup by tapping on it. Number 5. Wait. After selecting the backup, the restore process will begin. This involves downloading all your apps, photos, settings, and other data from iCloud to your new iPhone. The time this takes can vary depending on the size of your backup and the speed of your Wi-Fi connection. Tip: while the restore is in progress, try to avoid using your iPhone for heavy tasks to ensure the process completes smoothly. You can check the progress by going to Settings, Your Name, iCloud, iCloud Backup, where you can see the restore status and estimated time remaining. Be patient, as these steps ensures that all your important data and settings are transferred accurately to your new device. Step 4. Complete Setup. Number 1. Follow instructions. Once the restore process is complete, your new iPhone will guide you through the final setup steps. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to finish the setup. This will include customizing settings, enabling certain features, and configuring your preferences. Number 2. Enter passwords. During the setup, you may be prompted to enter your Apple ID password again. This is to verify your identity and ensure the security of your account. Additionally, you might need to enter passwords for your email accounts, apps, and other services you use. Have these passwords ready to avoid any delays. Number 3. Set up Face ID or Touch ID. For added security, your iPhone will ask you to set up Face ID or Touch ID, depending on your device model. Follow the on-screen instructions to register your face or fingerprints. This step enhances the security of your device and makes it easier to unlock your iPhone, make purchases, and use other secure features. Face ID. Position your face within the frame and move your head in a circle to capture all angles. Touch ID. Place your finger on the home button repeatedly, adjusting the position slightly each time to capture the full fingerprint. Number 4. Apple Pay and Siri. If you use Apple Pay, you will be prompted to set it up. Follow the instructions to add your credit or debit cards. You may need to verify your card information within your bank. You can also customize Siri, Apple's voice assistant. Choose whether to enable Hey Siri to activate Siri with your voice, and customize Siri settings to suit your preferences. Step number 5. Final checks. Number 1. Check your data. Once the setup is complete, go through your new iPhone to ensure all your data has been transferred. Check your photos, contacts, messages, apps, and any other important data. Number 2. Re-download missing apps. If any apps are missing, go to the App Store and re-download them. And there you have it. You have successfully transferred all your files from your old iPhone to your new iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.